This is the day to salute our teachers for their great contributions. Although COVID-19 pandemic has significantly added to the challenges being faced by teachers while teaching, but at the same time, it has sparked a new form of appreciation for teachers as they have stepped up in making sure that learning continues regardless of the situation. The field of education is one of the mediums through which we can achieve holistic development. Now, more than ever, the teachers have a special role to play, a role in which they inspire, entice, and ignite young minds to engender a new humanity that is more caring and aspirational. I, Sweetie Jain, Vice Principal, Kendriya Vidyalaya Janakpuri, wish to take this opportunity to thank all the teachers for their valuable contributions. I wish each one of you a happy Teachers' Day. May God bless you with the strength to achieve greater personal and professional growth in the years to come, to be able to be more inventive and imaginative in your learning. Wish you all a happy Teachers' Day.
On the occasion of Teachers' Day, I am Sudhanshu Kumar Jha of Class 9B, delivering a message to all my teachers. I would like to thank you for listening to my concerns, guiding me on the path of knowledge, and reassuring me on my life's path. Happy Teachers' Day. Thanks for being an excellent teacher and a friend simultaneously. The way you teach, share knowledge, listen to our concerns, and shower your love and care makes you the world's best teachers. I have learned the joy of reading, all thanks to you. On this Teachers' Day, I would like to thank you for introducing me to the wonderful world of books. On Teachers' Day, I would like to thank you for inspiring me, igniting my imagination, and instilling me a love of learning. Dear teachers, it's because of you that I am a good student now. Thanks for all you have done for me. A teacher's job is not easy at all. A teacher imparts knowledge and wisdom to thousands of students and make them better human beings. Our parents gave us a life, and it was you who taught us how to live it. You introduced honesty, integrity, and passion to our characters. Wishing you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
थामा जिसने भी कल भी आज भी राह पर चले तो राहबर बने वहीं। थामा जिसने भी कल भी आज भी राह पर चले तो राहबर बने वहीं। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम ही। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम ही। मुझको मुझ में ढूंढा दी नई पहचान, नन्हे से परिंदे ने ऊंची भरी उड़ान, ऊंची भरी उड़ान, ऊंची भरी उड़ान। मुझको मुझ में ढूंढा दी नई पहचान, नन्हे से परिंदे ने ऊंची भरी उड़ान, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्हें वो
A teacher is like a candle. The way a candle consumes itself to light the way for others, a teacher is the light of the world, the beacon in the dark and the hope that strengthens us. I, Lakshmi of class 11th A from Kendriya Vidyalaya Janakpuri, feel privileged to express my gratitude towards teachers who have given impeccable contribution in shaping us on the auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day. Since 1962, 5th September, the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan is celebrated as Teachers' Day to honor him and his ways of teaching. A teacher, being a vessel of knowledge and wisdom, formulates our mind, enables us to think on our own, shapes our future and caliber. A teacher teaches us when we fumble. Words can't express the importance of teacher. Remember, whatever be the impact on our life, it is because of the efforts and passion of many teachers. A teacher inspires us, builds hope, ignites imagination and instills the love for learning. In the modern technological world, technical gadgets can supplement a teacher's work but can never supplant a teacher. A teacher detects lumps of curiosity, knowledge and wisdom lying beneath a student just like a compass detects magnet. Whatever I am today is just because of my teachers and I want to thank all of them. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. On the auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day, I, Akriti Rai of class 11th A, would like to deliver a few words on our teachers, our real heroes. A good teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. Teachers are the backbone of our society. Because of their contribution and sacrifice, our society stands straight. And that's what Kabir Das has mentioned in his Doha, that Guru Gobind dom khade kaake lago paए. Guru Gobind dom khade kaake lago paए. बलिहारी गुरु आपने गोविंद दियो बताए. कबीर दास ने अपने दोहे में यह कहा है कि गुरु भगवान से भी सर्वोपरि होता है. And teachers are who always inspire us to learn new things in each and every moment. They show us our real talents. They appreciate our small achievements and make us believe on ourselves. Pavan tanay bal pavan samana, ka chup lagi rahe balwana. Teachers are our real heroes that inspire us, motivate us, that make us believe on our capabilities, on our caliber. And good teachers are the reason why ordinary students dream of extraordinary things. And I would like to thank all my teachers, our respected principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, our class teacher, Ellen Gupta sir, Ajay Kodwal sir, Vidya Kishore sir, Kamla Prasad sir, Shivam sir, Meenakshi ma'am, Meera Pandey ma'am, and all the teachers who give their best to make us best. We are grateful to get such teachers in our life. And at last, but not the least, parents give us life, but teachers show the path to live life beautifully. Thank you and have a very nice day. Happy Teachers Day to all of you.
आज मैं काजल शिक्षक दिवस के अवसर पर आप सभी के सामने माननीय श्री A.K. झा सर और मेरे सभी अध्यापकों के लिए कुछ लाइनें कहना चाहूँ. जीवन के हर अंधेरे में रोशनी दिखाते हैं आप. बंद हो जाएं अगर सब दरवाजे तो नए रास्ते दिखाते हैं आप. सिर्फ किताबी ज्ञान नहीं, जीवन जीना सिखाते हैं आप. अज्ञानता को दूर करके ज्ञान की ज्योति जलाई है. गुरुओं के चरणों में रहकर हमने सब शिक्षा कमाई. गलत राह पर भटके हम जब तो गुरुओं ने सही राह दिखाई है. सत्य राह की राह पर चलना शिक्षक हमें सिखाते हैं. जीवन संघर्षों से लड़ना शिक्षक हमें सिखाते हैं. कोटि कोटि नमन है उन गुरुओं का जो जीवन को जीने का तरीका हमें सिखाते। धन्यवाद। और अंत में मैं बस इतना कहना चाहूँगी कि सर, आपने हमें हमेशा आगे बढ़ने के लिए प्रोत्साहन किया है। आपने हमें सिखाया है कि कोई भी काम छोटा या बड़ा नहीं होता, हमें हर काम अपनी पूरी मेहनत से करना चाहिए। और मैं आशा करती हूँ कि हमेशा की तरह आप सभी अध्यापकों का आशीर्वाद हम सब बच्चों पर ऐसा ही बना रहेगा।
Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Gupta from class 12C. Today on the occasion of Teachers Day, I would like to share my feelings with you all. Dear Manoj Tang sir, thank you for always motivating us. You always motivate us to do the right thing and take everything positively. Thank you for being our motivation and inspiration. Without your help, I would never have been reached here. Thank you and have a great day.
अनपढ़ से शुरू कर ज्ञानी तक ले जाते हैं। अनपढ़ से शुरू कर ज्ञानी तक ले जाते हैं। भरी अंधेरी दीवारों पर रोशनी की मुहर लगाते हैं। असली अध्यापक वही कहलाते हैं। सफलता के मार्ग पर हमको चलना सिखाते हैं। सफलता के मार्ग पर हमको चलना सिखाते हैं। सत्य का मार्ग दिखाकर हमको सच्चा बनाते हैं। असली अध्यापक वही कहलाते हैं। कोरे कागज़ों पर लिखकर उन्हें किताब बनाते हैं। अपनी इच्छाएं दबाकर वे उन्हें कभी नहीं जताते हैं। असली अध्यापक वही कहलाते हैं। असल में ईश्वर के वे दूसरे रूप कहलाते हैं। असल में ईश्वर के वे असली दूसरे रूप कहलाते हैं और हम सबके दिल को वह भाते हैं। असली अध्यापक वही कहलाते हैं। उन सभी अध्यापकों को मेरा सादर प्रणाम जो इस कठिन समय में हम सभी विद्यार्थियों के मनोबल को बढ़ाए रखने के लिए अपना सहयोग दे रहे हैं। आप सभी को शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।
I am Mahi Sharma from class 8th and I am dedicating a song to all my respected teachers on this Teachers Day. Teachers, say the good inside me. Take my hand and guide me away. Teachers, when you say me giving up, you teach me how to stand up again. Thank you for that all you have done. Thank you for all you do. Thank you for you that you have done. Thank you for all you do. I have been moved by your hands. So thank you. So thank you. Teachers, see the good inside me. Take my hands and guide me always. Teachers, when you see me giving up, you teach me how to stand up again. Teachers, we are still the young ones, but we won't be the young ones for long. Teachers, let me hands define me. When you were beside me, I am strong. So thank you for that all you have done. Thank you for that all you do. Thank you for that all you have done. Thank you for that all you do. I have been moved by your hand. So thank you. So thank you. Teachers, see the good inside me. Take my hand and guide me. Teachers, when you see me giving up, you teach me how to stand up again. Thank you for that all you have done. Thank you for that all you do. Thank you for that all you have done. Thank you for that all you do. I have been moved by your hand. So thank you. I said thank you. Thank you.
नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। मुश्किल राहों पर गिरते उठते और संभलते हैं, हम थक भी जाए पर देखो वो कभी न थकते हैं। वो टीचर ही तो है जो हमारे साथ चलते हैं, हमारे साथ चलते हैं। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। है आग हमारे अंदर पर वो ज्योत जलाते हैं, फिर प्रेम और श्रद्धा से नया विश्वास जगाते हैं। वो टीचर ही तो है जो सच्ची राह दिखाते हैं, सच्ची राह दिखाते हैं। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
Education is the most powerful weapon to change the world, and that is all because of our teachers. That was the quote of Mr. Nelson Mandela, and I absolutely agree with him. So hello everyone, I am Pihu of class 9th A, and today on the occasion of Teachers Day, I would like to appreciate my English teacher Mrs. Ravinder Kaur ma'am for her hard work and amazing teaching skills, as she used to clear my all doubts and concepts very affectionately, and I used to find a very good and motivative friend in her. As I am not studying with her since a long ago, but still I find a very understanding mentor in her. At last, I would like to thank to my all teachers who has taught me, and I have a future because of them. So thank you so much. Wishing you a very happy and safe Teachers Day. Regards, P.
Heroes don't always dress in a superhero suit. They are hard to find, but I have found one, and she is a teacher. My English subject teacher, Mrs. Jagdeep Kaur ma'am. She is very supportive, sincere, and positive-minded person. And most importantly, she is very bold, frank, and funny. I have never found her nervous even on the stage. And why I said that she is a very positive personality, because of an incident happened in school. It was her spoken test. She came to our class to take that period, to take the spoken test, and suddenly she asked that you students might have given me a secret name, so I want to know that. And the student said, yes ma'am, to be honest, many students call you Doraemon. So she said, I know that, and I like that name because Doraemon has the solution of all the problems, and it's a compliment. And that day I realized that how much positivity she have. That's what made me feel like I want to be like you, ma'am, bold and positive. Ma'am, I just want to say that you supported me a lot, not only in my studies but also in all the co-curricular activities. You have always been there whenever I needed someone to guide me. You encouraged me at every moment and make me realize that I am a shining star and I can do anything. You play a great role in my life, and I can never forget anything you have ever taught me. So I have written a short poem for you. I saw many stars coming in my life, many clouds did come and go. In that infinite sky, you are the only permanent moon I know. Others make it look beautiful, but you light up the dark path. Others might take things difficult, but you take things as a bubble bath. The most positive mind I have ever seen. You made me the bravest I have ever been. You taught me how to face things, how to make music from strings. Made me realize I am the strongest in this life like a wrestling ring. You will always stay there in my heart. I can never tear these memories apart. A person who told me I can aim on anything with my dad. I want you to know that you're the most beautiful piece of art. My teacher, you are my hero.
Today I am here to give tribute to my favorite teacher. A good teacher is like a candle who consumes itself to light the way of others. Teachers are our second parents. They just don't only look after us but also give the seed of knowledge and value in us. There are a lot of teachers in my school. Some had already taught me and some are yet to come. In with my all the heart, I respect and love them equally, but my favorite teacher is Mrs. Pallavi ma'am. She used to teach me maths. Ma'am, whenever I'm with you, I never feel like a student because you teach like a teacher, talk like a friend, and give lesson like a mother. I didn't like maths earlier, but when Pallavi ma'am come, she used to tell me that Tanushka, maths is very easy subject. It can easily sorted by just some attention, and she develops a confidence in me that we can easily solve maths. Ma'am, thank you so much for all your love and encouragement towards me. Ma'am used to encourage all his students like this, and I'm very glad that I get this opportunity to express my feeling about my favorite teacher. A very thank you, ma'am, and a happy, special and safe Happy Teachers Day. Thank you and regards.
शिक्षकेभ्यः नमो नमः। शिक्षक दिवसस्य अतीव शुभकामना। भवन्तः अस्माकं विद्यार्थिनां जीवनस्य प्रेरणास्रोतः। अस्य शुभदिवसस्य उपलक्ष्ये अहं शिवा त्रयः श्लोकं पठामि। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। मातृवत् लालयत्री च पितृवत् मार्गदर्शिका नमोस्तु गुरु सत्तायै श्रद्धा प्रज्ञा युता च या श्रद्धा प्रज्ञा युता च या अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। धन्यवादं। जयतु भारतम्।
A very happy Teachers' Day to respected Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am and all my dear teachers. I especially want to thank Vice Principal Ma'am and Manoj Sir for making tireless efforts selflessly for completing and fulfilling our demands and requirements in this pandemic too. I am really thankful that I got the teachers like you in my life and I am under your guidance.
but I promise that I will work hard effortlessly to make you feel proud by my academic performance despite all these hurdles. I wish that this crisis will soon be resolved in future and the virtual feeling of togetherness will end into the physical bonding like before. Once again, a very happy Teachers Day and thank you and have a nice day from your lovely student Divya Kumari, 12th A. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Amit Baiju of class 9th A. Today for Teachers Day, I would like to show my appreciation towards our Sanskrit teacher, Rani Jha ma'am. As she is very kind to students, she teaches very well and makes us understand the subject with fun. She clears all our doubts whenever we ask questions in her class. She doesn't scold us necessarily, but when we do wrong, she disciplines us and teaches us good behavior. And I love attending her classes. Happy Teachers Day.
I want to dedicate this song to you because you care for me. With you I feel safe and secure, you really care for me. If something happens in the class that brings me down and makes me sad,
नमस्कार, मैं समर्पिता मुखर्जी कक्षा 9वीं ड की छात्रा आज शिक्षक दिवस के अवसर पर मेरे सभी अध्यापक एवं अध्यापिकाओं के लिए एक गुरु वंदना प्रस्तुत कर रही हूँ। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव
उपस्थित समस्त सम्मानित अध्यापकगण को मैं अगमजोत कौर कक्षा 7वीं की छात्रा प्रणाम करती हूँ और शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ। गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात पार ब्रह्म तिस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। 5 सितंबर को हमारे दूसरे राष्ट्रपति डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्ण के जन्म दिवस के उपलक्ष्य में शिक्षक दिवस मनाया जाता है। उनका शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में बहुत बड़ा योगदान था। प्राचीन काल से ही गुरुओं का हमारे जीवन में बहुत योगदान रहा है। गुरुओं से प्राप्त ज्ञान और मार्गदर्शन से ही हम सफलता के शिखर तक पहुंच सकते हैं। जीवन में सफल होने के लिए शिक्षा सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी है। शिक्षक अर्थात गुरु देश के भविष्य में सबसे महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाते हैं। ऐसे ही अध्यापक है मेरी पूनम बजाज मैम। वो मेरी प्रिय अध्यापक है। उनका स्वभाव बड़ा कोमल और मृदुभाषी है। वे सभी बच्चों से बड़े प्यार से बोलती है और उनको अपने बच्चों के समान समझती है। सभी बच्चों और अध्यापक उनका सम्मान करते हैं, वे प्रशंसा भी करते हैं। मेरी अध्यापिका जी को पढ़ाने की शैली बहुत ही अच्छी है। वे प्रत्येक छात्र को बड़े प्यार से तब तक समझाती हैं जब तक वह समझ ना जाए। उनके पढ़ने का ढंग इतना अच्छा है कि बच्चों को सरलता से समझ आ जाता है। वह सभी बच्चों के साथ घुल मिलकर रहती हैं। यदि कोई बच्चा गलती भी कर दे तो वह उसको प्यार से समझाती हैं और माफ भी कर देती है। बिना शिक्षक के हम अपने अच्छे जीवन की कल्पना भी नहीं कर सकते। मैं एक बार पूर्ण सभी अध्यापकगण को शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ।
सुप्रभात। मैं शिक्षक दिवस के इस पावन अवसर पे मैं शौर्य राय कक्षा 7वीं का छात्र हमारी आदरणीय विनीता राणा मैम के प्रति अपनी भावनाओं को व्यक्त करूंगा। मैं मैम के बारे में जितना बोलूँ उतना कम है, क्योंकि मैम कभी भी किसी बच्चे को मारती या डांटती नहीं है। वह हमेशा अपनी कक्षा में शांति बनाए रखती है। उनकी कक्षा में कभी अशांति नहीं फैलती। वह कभी भी किसी को मारती नहीं है। वह हमेशा हमें प्रोत्साहित करती है। वह बहुत शांत मन की है। वह उनको कभी क्रोध आता ही नहीं है। हर बच्चा उनके कक्षा में पूर्ण रूप से शांत रहता है। वह कक्षा शुरू होने से पहले मंत्र जाप करवाती है। मंत्र जाप करने से हमारी बुद्धि बढ़ती है, हमारी स्थिरता बढ़ती है। हम जब मंत्र जाप करते हैं वो अपने भी पढ़ती है मंत्र और हमें भी पढ़वाती है। और शिक्षक का स्थान शिष्य के जीवन में कोई नहीं ले सकता, क्योंकि एक शिक्षक ही अपने शिष्य को प्रोत्साहित करता है और अपने भविष्य के लक्ष्य के लिए एक शिक्षक ही उसका मनोबल बढ़ाता है। गुरु का महत्व भगवान से भी बढ़कर होता है। इसलिए कबीरदास जी ने कहा है, गुरु गोविंद दो खड़े काके लागो पाओ, बलिहारी गुरु आपने गोविंद दियो बताए। मैं यही अपनी वाणी को विराम देता हूँ। इस शिक्षक दिवस को आप अच्छे से बनाइए और अपने शिक्षकों को कोटि कोटि प्रणाम मैं करता हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Hello everyone, I am Mayank Mishra of class 12th A, and if you are watching this video and you are a teacher, first of all I want to do a great bow in front of every one of you, because you teachers are our real superheroes. Whenever we get failed, we always look down for the causes, but whenever we get success, we don't look down for the causes. You teachers are one of the real causes of success of most of us. Now talking about KV Janakpuri's teachers specifically, you teachers just teach us beyond the textbook courses and NCERT. Talking about myself specifically, I want to thank some of my teachers and I want to tell you what they taught me for life. Starting from Poonam Bajaj ma'am, she taught me how to be active and do your work quickly like that. Talking about Tripti ma'am was our teenager friend and she always helped us morally and scientifically. Talking about Ravinder Kaur ma'am, she taught me how to interact like an intellectual. Talking about Sudha ma'am, who taught me determinism. Talking about Pawan Kumar Gupta sir, who taught me the power of words and facts. Ram Sarup sir, who taught me power of notes, and many other teachers who helped me throughout my 10th board exams. Now when I was in 10th, I used to think that PGTs, they are really strict, and when we will get in 11th, they will scold us and they will pressurize us for our work. But when I came in 11th, I found that they are just opposite of my thoughts in 10th. So starting from our current class teacher, Sonia Sharma ma'am, she is a teacher who appreciates you for even your smallest achievements, and she just motivates you better than anyone. Talking about Devinder sir, he taught us physics in a way we never thought, in a very easiest way, and his teaching skills are just amazing. Sudhanshu sir and Neetu ma'am joined us late, but कहते हैं ना कि सब्र का फल मीठा होता है, and they are just best. At last, talking about Jagdeep Kaur ma'am, she is like a jeweler who finishes the diamond, and she is constantly finishing, giving us a finishing touch in our last days of our school life. And now I want to thank our other sports teachers like Meenakshi ma'am and Gulbi ma'am, who always help us to fun in ground. Our other co-curricular teachers, Shivam sir, who escorted me to many KV events, Meera Pandey ma'am, who taught us many amazing things in this lockdown period. And I also want to thank Principal ma'am, who is just incredible motivational speaker, Vice Principal ma'am, who is an incredible teacher herself, and HM ma'am. So at last, I want to thank every one of your KV teachers, KV Janakpuri teachers specifically too. So at last, I want to say that we have a depth of you, and to repay that debt, I am assuring you from not only my side, but side of every one of us, that one day we will make you so proud. And that's all that I want to convey. So thank you for listening to me, and Happy Teachers Day. Just give us more and more blessings for our future.
आदरणीय प्राचार्य महोदया, उप प्राचार्य महोदया, सम्मानित गुरुजनवृंद एवं मेरे सभी सहपाठियों, साथ ही ऑनलाइन कार्यक्रम देख रहे सभी श्रेष्ठ जनों का मैं शिशिर शिक्षक दिवस के इस पावन पर्व पर केंद्रीय विद्यालय जनकपुरी की ओर से हार्दिक वंदन व अभिनंदन करता हूँ। विद्यालय की पाठ्य सहगामी प्रभारी व हमारी अंग्रेजी अध्यापिका की ओर से आज इस पावन पर्व पर मुझे अपना वक्तव्य देने के लिए 2 मिनट मिला है। अतएव समय की सीमाओं में बंधा हुआ मैं एक बार पुनः आज शिक्षक दिवस के दिन अपने गुरुओं को नमन करता हूं। जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं, हमारे केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन ने #OurTeachersOurHero एक मुहिम छेड़ी है। मैं कहूँगा एवरी टीचर इज अ हीरो। रामचरितमानस में तुलसीदास जी ने लिखा है कि मुकुर मलिन अरु नयन विहीना, राम रूप देखहीं किम दीना। कहने का अर्थ स्पष्ट है कि ऐसा व्यक्ति जिसके हाथ में दर्पण है, वह दर्पण स्वच्छ नहीं है, उस दर्पण में देखने वाला व्यक्ति स्वयं नेत्र से विहीन है। और मजे की बात तो यह है कि वह इसमें अपना रूप नहीं, भगवान प्रभु श्री राम का रूप देखना चाहता है। कितना मुश्किल कार्य है, लेकिन गुरु की प्रेरणा प्राप्त होते ही वह मन रूपी दर्पण से सब कुछ देख लेता है। तुलसीदास जी ने हनुमान चालीसा में लिखा है कि श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज, निज मन मुकुर सुधारी। कहने का मतलब यह है कि गुरु की प्रेरणा से ही सब कुछ संभव है। कबीरदास जी ने भी कहा है कि गुरु गोविंद दो खड़े, काके लागों पाए, बलिहारी गुरु आपने गोविंद दियो बताए। संस्कृत श्लोकों की जब चर्चा की जाए तो सर्वप्रथम गुरु का ही नाम दिया जाता है। गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा। और कहने वाले ने यह कहा कि गुरुर् साक्षात पर ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ मैं शिशिर आज शिक्षक दिवस के दिन अपने समस्त गुरुओं की चरण वंदना करता हूं और आशा करता हूं कि आप सभी लोग इसी तरह अपना अमूल्य आशीर्वाद प्रदान कर हमारे जीवन के आगे का मार्ग प्रशस्त करते रहेंगे। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
am Hirman Sharma of Class 6B, KV Janakpuri. I would like to wish Happy Teachers Day to Rani Jha ma'am, our class teacher and subject teacher. I want to tell you that as a teacher, you are terrific, energetic, cheerful, hardworking, enthusiastic and remarkable. Thanks ma'am. And I would like to wish Principal ma'am, Vice Principal ma'am and HM ma'am for their guidance and support. I am really in gratitude for my primary teachers, especially Pallavi ma'am, now promoted as TGT, Rajesh Dubey sir, Balvinder ma'am and Joshi Nandi ma'am, who helped me to grow as a student. Once again, Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. You are my role model. Thank you and have a great day. Good morning, everybody. The students of Class 6B are going
to share their experience of online classes with you.
Nowadays, due to COVID-19 pandemic,
we can't attend our schools by stepping outside. So the only option is online classes. Classes are difficult to join, but it is very easy to understand. Sometimes network problem occurs, but slowly issues are being resolved. Teachers are working very hard to make us understand. This is the best class ever I had ever seen in my life. Thanks to KVS.
Thanks for KVS.
Thanks to KVS. Thanks to KVS.
thanks to KVS.
Hello everyone. Today is the special day for all our teachers, and I am very happy to wish all my teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. My special thanks and regards is for Principal Ma'am, who has always been like an inspiration for me. I am very proud and happy to have her as the captain of our ship. Whenever I look at her, I get very motivated. She is like a blessing for us. She has tried her level best to make us a lot of progress. And at last, I would again wish her a very happy Teachers' Day. Thanks a lot, ma'am. Love you so much.
इस कदम लेकर जब आए थे पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को है प्यार। कंधे से कदम लेकर जब आए थे पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को है प्यार। इस कदम लेकर जब आए थे पहली बार, हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को है प्यार। कंधे से कदम लेकर
No matter how old we grow, the lessons taught by our teacher can never be forgotten. They build the foundation of our moral values and nurture children with their love and care. This Teachers' Day, tell your lovable teachers how much you adore them, feel proud and honored to celebrate Teachers' Day. Hello everyone, I am Ishpreet Singh of Kendriya Vidyalaya Janakpuri Class 9B. First of all, Happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers around all over the world. Today, I want to share some lines with you for my teachers. The best teachers teach from the heart, not from the book. Teaching is the one profession that creates all other professions. A teacher nourishes the soul of a child for a lifetime. A teacher presents the past, reveals the present, and creates the future. Teacher, you have always challenged me to work hard and get good grades. I will always remember you. Thanks, teacher, for making my world so perfect. The best teacher does not give you the answer. They spark within you the desire to find the answer yourself. I am grateful to be your student. Thank you for challenging me to be my best and inspire instilling in me a passion of learning. Keep calm and study on. Again, happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers and parents also all around all over.
Everything I'll be, I give it to you teachers and do it thankfully. A very good evening to everyone. My name is Shruti Dey of class 9D and I'm feeling immense privileged to talk in front of you about our teachers on the occasion of National Teachers' Day. First of all, a very happy Teachers' Day to all of you. So there are total 10 teachers including our co-scholastic activities. And if I start talking them about all, then the whole night, the whole day would spend. Because there is a lot of things to tell about them. So I have given the immense opportunity to talk about a mathematics teacher, Miss Kalindi Kushwaha ma'am. Yes, she has been my greatest motivation and inspiration. She is the one who includes fun at the time of studies. We love to join her classes for the fun, for the new learning every day. She builds our concept in a very good way. She starts from the foundation. She is with our class from class 6th and still with us, helping us and giving us the opportunity to understand everything very well. Whereas talking about practical, real life example or theory in mathematics. I feel so privileged to be a student of Miss Kalindi ma'am. I would also like to thank all the other teachers of my subjects who have helped me so much to understand every subject very well. Every teacher is a god herself or himself. So I would like to sum up my speech by saying thank you to all of you for your support during this COVID-19 time too. Please be supporting and helping us to be successful in our life. Thank you teachers. Thank you for everything you did. My teachers are my heroes. Thank you. Have a great day ahead. Happy Teachers' Day to all of you.
Without teachers, it is almost impossible to imagine growth in our life, whether educationally, mentally, or intellectually. Hello everyone, it's me Isha Malik of class 12C. Parents are a child's first teacher who gives life lessons, and after them comes the guru or teacher who leads the child ahead in life. A very happy Teachers' Day to the leader of our school, our respected principal ma'am. You are a real epitome of your profession. You treat us with firmness, care and love. You adore us like your kids and you scold us like your children. You create a new out of us every day. Your success is our rise. You are the commander and we are your cadets. You are a pathfinder, an extraordinary leader, and following you is a pride. Your aura is full of enthusiasm. Thank you, ma'am, for supporting us, inspiring us, encouraging us, guiding us, and being parent figure outside of our home who taught us many lessons about life. You are a true example of friendship, discipline, love, and care, everything in one person. Thank you for enlightening us with your deep knowledge. Once again, a very happy Teachers' Day to you, ma'am.
We love you, teachers. We praise you, teachers. We thank you, teachers, for everything. We love you, teachers. We praise you, teachers. We thank you, teachers, for everything.
शब्द नहीं मेरे पास करने को धन्यवाद मुझको गुरुवर दे दो बस सफलता का आशीर्वाद थैंक यू फॉर ऑल टीचर्स हैप्पी टीचर्स डे।
संगीत मेरे जीवन का भाव है और ये मेरे जीवन के गहराई तक जुड़ा हुआ है। इस संगीत के बाहरी जीवन को रोशनी देने उजाले हो आप मैम। इस शिक्षक दिवस पर मैं आपको अपने दिल से धन्यवाद करती हूँ और आशा करती हूँ कि आप अपने जीवन में इसी तरह संगीत को महसूस करते जाइए और हमें सिखाते रहिए। धन्यवाद नीतू मैम। आज मैं आपके लिए एक गीत प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। आशा है आपको पसंद आएगा।
सूरज उगा, वो
बहाए